On this beautiful day, I'm gonna bring to you a powerful, heart-friendly, but natural cough drop. You're gonna get some ginger water. I added lemon, cinnamon, turmeric, canned sugar, and honey. Ginger, good for the heart. Cinnamon, good for the heart. Turmeric, good for the heart. All of it is good for the heart, blood pressure, bad cholesterol, all that. You get everything in one drop, literally one cough drop. You're gonna bring the mixture to a nice thick consistency. Then put it on some parchment paper, cool it all the way. I added some powdered sugar, which is just cornstarch and cane sugar in a spice grinder, and boom, you have a natural, powerful cough drop, heart friendly. Winter is here. Let's go.